Hi. Hello. How are you guys? Are you doing good? If you thought this was going to be a book club video, you're wrong. Let's get that out of the way. This is a McDonald's uniform. I've never worked there. My best friend, he's a GM at one. This shirt is hella comfortable. I forgot. This video is going to be a little different. We're not going to do book club. I'm going to put off the book club until after I come back from Japan. So I decided to do a little haul. Not really a haul. Would it be a haul? It's just gonna be me showing off. Not showing off. It kind of is because I did buy some pretty dope stuff. If you haven't noticed, doesn't this look so good? This is my new Osmo Action 3. I've been messing with the settings. I'm not going to be using it for nighttime though. The low light on the Osmo Action 3 is awful. I'm just going to use it when I'm walking throughout the day. I'm going to take hyperlapse videos when we're on the bullet train. So just a quick rundown of our trip. We are going to be landing in Tokyo. We're then going to be taking a bullet train, not immediately. I'll get into the details once we come back. We're going to be in Tokyo for a couple of days. We're going to go to Kyoto, spend a couple of days there. Go to Osaka, spend a couple of days there. Go back to Tokyo, spend like maybe 3 more days there, and then come back home. So it is going to be a full 2 weeks that we're going to be over there. And I just basically want to show what I'm going to be taking. First off is obviously my camera. I did buy the Adventure combo. It comes with a selfie stick, which is probably why it looks weird. I look closer, everything looks weird. I also bought this case. So this is the camera case. I bought the 4-pack tiles. Pros and cons. Pros, very easy to set up. Cons is that after 3 years, the battery dies out and you're fucked. You don't replace the battery. I think it's very wasteful. The whole point of it is to not lose your stuff or find out where they are. Whereas an Apple AirTag, you could just take the battery out, put it back in, and then, oh, hi, welcome to a brand new AirPod. Or AirTag, I mean. Like, that's dumb. But anyway, I bought this pack. This is going to be for my camera stuff. It's a lot bigger than what I thought it was going to be, so that's going to be fun to carry around. I'm not going to carry the whole thing around. So this is going to come with me on the plane, but it's not going to come with me when we go to, like, shrines and stuff. I'm only going to be bringing the extra batteries, the selfie stick, and that's it. I also bought a necklace thing so that I can hang it on my chest and, you know, walk around. I want to do that for when we're in the stations or we're walking around Shibuya or Shinjuku. Again, I'll go into the planning. If you guys need help or tips on what I did, I'll get into all of that. This video is strictly just what I'm going to be taking. I also did buy more of these. I gave the ones that I used to have to my niece and my nephew, but you can never be too cautious. I'm very paranoid. What these are portable door locks. You literally just stick it in the door, you put this little hooky thing on, and even if somebody has a key to a door, even if you leave the door unlocked, whatever, they're not going to be able to open it. You know, I'm there to enjoy life, and having this on the door is just going to make me feel so much more safe. Even though Japan is a safe country, you just never know. We're going to be staying at Airbnbs. They all have great reviews, and they have a lot of reviews. Again, you just never know. It's better to err on the side of caution, I believe is what the kids say. Next thing is this passport holder. So my wallet, I'm actually going to leave in my luggage. I'm thinking of just leaving it here at home and just taking my ID with me. So this is my passport holder. It has my passport. It's going to have my IC card. It's going to have my train and bus passes that I'm going to buy, my Osaka Amazing Pass, any tickets, anything that I'm going to need, it's going to be in here. My bullet train tickets, everything that I'm going to need is going to be in here. You have to take your passport everywhere with you. I'm also going to be taking my driver's license as well as my debit card. That's it. This one also has a tile finder thing. Super thin. I was not expecting it to be this thin. But, you know, again, I just want to be on the safe side. This thing is always going to be with me. I'm not going to let it out of my sight. As for wallet, I'm going to buy one when I get over there, just because the ones over there are cute. This is going to be taken with me. It also has a little pen for when I, you know, you never know when you need a pen. This one I bought off Amazon. I'll try to link everything down in the description. I also bought these. These are socks. Probably shouldn't be promoting it next to my face like that, just because it's a little suspicious. It's the applicable scenarios involve leisure sports, fitness, running, and other department sports. I've never been much of a sports guy. I don't know if you could tell. I've never played a department sport. From what I've seen online, people average about 20,000 steps a day. So I will also be installing my tracker thing on my phone. That way I can track my steps. I kind of want to turn on my running app, you know, when we're out and about, just so that I can have that information, like the maps and all that stuff. I think that'd be dope. I'm gonna do that. Yeah, these are just compression socks that I bought. I think I've spent more money before my actual trip than I'm gonna spend on my actual trip. So this I didn't buy specifically for my Japan trip. I've had this for a while. This is my white noise machine. I've heard that Tokyo can be a little bit loud at night. Really good sound quality. The battery lasts forever. I'm going to charge it before I go anyway. I really wanted to buy the case, but I was like, I'm spending too much money. I'm going to get one more paycheck before I even go to Japan. And I honestly, the majority of that money is going to go to souvenirs. So I don't know how I'm going to eat. But I'll have fun while I'm there. That helps, like, if there's traffic, because I think one of the Airbnbs is going to be right next to a freeway. So the next thing I bought, I used to have a power bank, but it kind of exploded on me. And then I looked for another one on Amazon, and now I'm like, I see why they don't sell them anymore. So I bought this little itty bitty one from Anker. It's 20,000 milliamps, so it should charge my phone about 4 times, give or take. It comes with the cord pre-attached. It's USB-C, and it also has slots for 2 more things, USB whatever and USB-C. There's nothing on the side. There's nothing on this side except for the button that tells you the battery percentage. Again, the paranoia is very much real. So I did, and you guys are gonna make fun of me, and that's totally fine. But I did buy this hidden camera detector. As if I need that. Like, who's going to be recording me? But it works. Like, it really does work. Error on the side of caution. Caution on the... Error on the side of... I'm going to use this mostly for the bathroom. Because I'm scared. I'm just scared. What if one day I'm like, you know, beating the old one-eyed snake or whatever, and then I see my gross body somewhere on a sketchy website, you know. I especially don't want to read the comments, so that's not happening. So we have this. We're going to be staring at Airbnbs. These are not hotels. Even at hotels, I would still, you know, check that. These were 2 for 1. These have really, really good reviews. It's you know, it's 2 chargers, and it does have the Japan one. So Japan uses the same ones as the States. The only difference is the Japan. You know how in the States we have one that's like slightly bigger sometimes? These are both the same. So it's the same thing in Japan. This might be overkill, and I 100% agree. Don't tell me. So we have these, and again, I'm really just going to be charging my portable battery, my batteries for my camera, and my phone. That's pretty much it that I'm going to be charging, because my white noise machine, that lasts forever. Honestly, I don't even remember the last time I charged it. I also bought this adapter because I bought it before I realized that it's actually the same thing. But you know what? I've always wanted one of these anyway. And who knows? I might go to, like, you know, Australia, or Australia is the same one. But, like, you know, I might go to the UK and be like, or, you know, whatever, wherever this fucking thing goes. This is UK. I don't know. That's what it says on the thing. This one might be, you know, overkill. Not yet. We're still not done with the charging stuff, because it's this is where you plug. So this you plug into the wall, and then this is where you would plug in. So the thing is, Japan doesn't have spots for these 3-pronged ones. So these 3-pronged ones, you're basically out of luck if you go to Japan. That's what I've heard. Again, my first trip to Japan. I don't know. You're probably thinking, that's only 1 port. Well, it comes with multiple ones down here, but just in case they don't want to use those, this thing also comes with USB-C adapters, and it also has another one right there. And I'm also taking this power strip. That's for traveling. This power strip also has connections. So, yes, it is a lot. I'm going to unplug it before we leave the Airbnb every day because I don't want to cause a fire. This, I'm not sure if I'm even going to take anymore just because we might not need it. But I've heard there isn't a lot of sockets somewhere. I don't remember where I read that. Right now, I'm going to be posting a picture. That's what my my backpack. That backpack I take everywhere. It's my camping backpack. I took it for when we went to Orlando. It's like the perfect size because you can carry all your souvenirs, all your trash that you might be holding on to. It's not heavy. It's not like too big. You can fit a surprising amount of stuff on there. So I like that. That's going to be my carry-on. The one underneath it, that one is my oversized luggage. It is going to have to be checked in. We did reserve the oversized luggage in the bullet train. We'll also be taking this, which is my toiletry bag that I've had for... I think I bought it like 2 years ago. It's pretty dope. The brand is Bag Smart. I bought the blue one because I thought it was going to look a little bit manlier. Ooh, I still look gay as hell. This one's for full-size products. This is obviously going to go in my check-in bag. This is the kind of bag that like hopefully I don't have anything in here. I haven't used this in a while. Mostly because I haven't traveled in a while. It's expensive. This is what it looks like. I'm at my lunch break. How much time do I have left, by the way? Oh, I still have time. Let me open up my Amazon. I still have some stuff coming in. Oh, the little necklace thing. I should show you, huh? I got these shower shoes. And I got that. And I think that's pretty much it. I'm going to be taking quite a bit of clothes. But we're still going to be washing over there. Oh, right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to look through our medicine cabinet. And I got this from Build Your Moxie. So shout out to her. Homegirl, love your videos. She puts her detergent in a pill bottle. So I'm like, that's fucking genius. You know that's not going to spill anywhere. So right now I'm going to go through our medicine cabinet, see if I can find one that's expired, throw out all the pills, and then put detergent so that we can wash our clothes over there. I specifically got Airbnbs that have washing machines that are self-check-in. You never know when there's going to be a delay somewhere. I will get into details about my itinerary that I made in another video. But for now, that's pretty much it. That's all I have to say on that. My lunch is almost over. But doesn't this look so much better? We're putting a pause on the book club. Pause. We're not stopping. We're pausing. I promise we will be talking about the book. Please just be patient. I swear it's been hectic. It's been crazy. Nobody cares. Subscriber, do you care? I don't know. Oh my God.